Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's class is going to be a very special class. See the title. So it is written Maths Trick Stop Borrowing. Okay, most of the time. So these are nothing but the subtract. Okay, these problems are nothing but the subtract. Most of the times in order to subtract we have to borrow. Okay, we have to borrow a number from the adjacent number. This is the traditional method. But today I am going to show you a new technique so that it will be very easy for the students and there will be less chance to get a mistake. So in traditional method we used to do, we have to carry 1 because this is the smaller, this is the bigger, so we have to carry 1. It will become 10 minus 1, it will be 9. Now then it will become 9. So the students will confuse and most frequently they are asking why this is become 9. Then this is also become 9 and this is vanished. So they have a lots of questions, but sometimes it's very difficult to answer all the questions, right? So in order to clear the doubts, sometimes it's very difficult. So I'll show you a new technique. No need to make their doubt clear. So what I'll do, I'll subtract 1 from here, 1 from here. Same thing because same number I am subtracting from both the numbers to make it very easier. So 1000 minus 1, it will be 999. If you agree with me, yes. Then 551 minus 1, 851 minus 1, that will be 850. Same thing I have done. I have minus 1 from this number and minus 1 from this number. So now it's become very easy to subtract. Now the students don't have any confusions and for them it is a very easy subtractions. 9 minus 0, that is definitely 9. 9 minus 5, that is 4. 9 minus 8, that is 1. Now it's become very easy. So this is the answer. This is the answer. If we subtract 1000, if we subtract 851 from 1000, you will get 149. Similarly here also the same thing, same problem. Students have a lots of doubt in order to solve this type of questions, and very frequently in the exam this type of question is coming in the exam. So most of the time students they have confused because of confusions. They used to do mistake, right? So same thing, what I'll do, I'll minus 1 here and minus 1 here in order to make the problems is very easier, so that students can easily find out the answer without any mistake. So in order to make it very simple, I have subtract 1 from this number and 1 from that number. So it will be 6000 minus 1, that will be 5999. 1253 minus 1, that will be 1252. Now it's become very easy to subtract for the students, right? 9 minus 2, it is exactly 7. 9 minus 5, again 4. 9 minus 2, that is again 7. 5 minus 1 is 4. Now it's become very easy for the students to subtract. So this is the final answer, 4747. If we subtract 6000, if we subtract 1253 from 6000, definitely you will get 4747. Isn't it very easy now and very interesting? So thank you for watching.